Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time, I hope it won't be your last time. And I hope that if you like what you see here, you will consider subscribing to my channel. Rob called me a couple of hours ago. He's on his way in. And I would like to look a little bit better than I'm looking now since he's been out all week. I don't want him to come here and see me looking like this. Ooh, this is definitely too much hair. I just want to do something natural that looks cute and young. So I'm going to go ahead and make me a quick hair unit. You can do the same. Just click one of the links in the description that will show you how to make your own topper for the top of your head, or either a topper that will blend around the side like I'm going to need. It's so hot in here with these lights. Oh my God. And it's taking my bod right back up. Okay, babe.
So, I mean, I was okay with trying to help someone who was in need.
We took this image and we ran it through our reverse image search tool on socialcabbage.com. What we have found were exact matches for the same exact image.
I've got to go somewhere where it's cooler. I'll be back here.
Able
Oh, I had to come out here on my patio. The breeze is blowing so wonderful, y'all. This is the first time I ever think I've cut my hair outside. But it'll give me a reason to come out here to my beautiful new yard. Y'all want to take a peek? There's still a lot of work to do. I just had this fence installed all the way around my house. And this is my little patio, very small and quaint. And my backyard. But this is basically it. Okay. Catch my little mirror over here too. Came out of the house in such a hurry because I was so hot. I left all of my clips, but my salon is right as we entered the door. So It's feeling cooler. I look so different. Ooh. But I can tell you what, I am cool. This hair, sitting out here on my patio with this breeze blowing like this, hair blowing all over everywhere. This is so much fun. I wonder what Rob is doing. Oh boy, I don't know what it looks like, but I know it feels great. Let me continue. Oh, I don't know what I've created here, but I'm going to find out. Hey!
It's feels nice out here.
It does feel great out here. It's the first time I've ever cut my hair outside. Yeah. Yeah. I had to do something because it was so hot. And with me working it, do I look funny? You're such a man.
Yeah, something by next week.
Oh, I will. But right now, being out in the yard every day, it's so hot. So I figure I better do this instead of pulling my wig off. It gets so hot, I take it right off. I didn't hear that.
Grandma, her last words.
Oh my, grandma's last words. Those are some powerful words.
Yeah, she got a big butt. And look at her.
Why are you showing me a woman's butt, man?
Look at her.
He's a trip. Ain't so much crazy. I'm back inside so I can really see my hair.
Myself for using that to send to somebody that I had never met, somebody that I had fallen for online.
But after digging in, it looks like north of $1 million.
Yeah. So it's like she didn't even know how much money she lost because she was so focused on the now and trying to get this money and every sequence that happened. And
I felt so bad about my hair. Rob took me out to dinner. I didn't have time to put makeup on, but I had time for a quick install so my hair looked the way I wanted it to. Thanks everybody for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.